Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.63. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 14.1%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.01% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $33.42 would initially signal a slower rate of decline, potentially marking the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -52.41% over the next 3 months, with returns possibly ranging from -82.32% to -50.64%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 75.74% over the next year, with potential returns between 43.68% and 305.11%. This would result in a projected price range of $46.30 to $130.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, "Significant fluctuations in SOXL ETF price on Wednesday, moving nearly 20% between high and low." The SOXL ETF price increased by over 13% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of September, 2024, rising from $28.35 to $32.22. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if a brief pause is on the horizon in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of nearly 20%, with a low of $27.08 and a high of $32.42. Despite this recent volatility, there has been a loss of over 16% in value over the last 2 weeks. However, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 60 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 141 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.53 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price is over 54%, or $37.86, below the 52-week high, and nearly 91%, or $346.02, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The SOXL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. In case of further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $35.19. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support at $29.15 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and so far, the ETF has fallen by 22.79%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 104 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 38 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 26 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, backed by accumulated volume at $29.34 and $27.89. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this instance, SOXL has support just below today's position at $29.34. If this level fails, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $27.89 and $25.96. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $5.34 between its highest and lowest points, which corresponds to 19.72%. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 11.30%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.96. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $29.34. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Our analysis has been adjusted from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of September, we expect SOXL to open down by $1.65, starting at $30.57. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.